Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Finding Happiness in Small Things. I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers, and whoever is watching this video not has subscribed, please subscribe it now. Click on bell icon and hit all option so that notification come to you automatically. So let's go with the next video. This video is very exciting. It is going to show you the modern aircrafts. This is Gruman F-14D Tomcat, and that was supersonic variable sweep wing fighter, and its pilot and radar intercept officers divided the multi-task of navigation, target acquisition, electronic countermeasure, and weapon employment separately. Bought RF-8G. That was the first fighter jet to fly 1600 km and above from aircraft carrier. That was first flown in 1955. Its variable incidence wings, which could elevate up to 7 degrees in front while rotating about its rear spar, helped improve the aircraft's flight characteristics at slow speeds and increased pilot visibility for takeoff and landing. Its folding outer wings tips facilitated storage on aircraft carrier. Total of 1261 Crusaders built, 73 were modified as RF-8G reconnaissance models. This RF-8G was last operational Navy F-8, delivered as an F-8U-1P. It spent its first 7 years with Marine Corps and flew 400 combat hours in Southeast Asia. Its career total of 7,475 flight hours is the most of any Navy Crusader built. It's displayed with the wings folded and in up position with emergency generator extended. It is used on the ocean to save people whenever some boat is sinking. People stranded on the ocean, and they save people with that basket. Basket drops and carries people. This is a Coast Guard helicopter. Lockheed T-33A Shooting Star. That was the only aircraft trainer that was used from 1948 to 1957, commonly known as T-Bird. The prototype first flew in March 1948, piloted by acclaimed test pilot Tony Levier. It was officially designated T-33A about a year later. It was delivered to DC Air National Guard at Andrews Air Force Base, where it served until its transfer to a museum in 1987. The aircraft has never been painted and has highly polished natural metal finish. It was used mainly as a training aircraft. All its guns have been removed. This one that you're seeing is Gyrodyne QH50C drone. Gyrodyne QH50C drone helicopter that was first to fly remotely and with nuclear armament, and this was used to hunt down enemy submarines. It was first drone helicopter to enter operational service, the first rotorcraft deployed with nuclear armament, and one of the first armed unmanned aerial vehicle. Introduction of Soviet nuclear-powered submarine in early 1960 created an immediate demand for remotely piloted helicopter that could operate from smaller, older destroyers and could carry Mach 57 nuclear depth bomb or two torpedoes. Most QH-50 deployment consisted of anti-submarine patrols with torpedoes, but number of the crafts were used during Vietnam War primarily for spotting naval gunfire. A few were adapted to carry gun and rocket system. Gyrodyne built 758 airframes, most of which went to US Navy. Japan also operated few. I'm going to show you aircraft machine guns that will be fitted on aircraft to shoot down enemy aircrafts or anything on the ground.
Back, front, or back,
This is the space shuttle